We know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, but can you make it boil at a lower temperature? Let's find out in today's video. For this we need warm water, a syringe and some tape. We will fill the syringe with some water. We will cover the whole of the syringe using the tape. We will pull the syringe up. As you can see, the water starts boiling.
How does this happen? There is a direct relationship between pressure and boiling point of water. The boiling point of water increases as the pressure on it increases, and the boiling point decreases as the pressure on it decreases. When we pull the plunger up, it reduces the air pressure inside the syringe, thus decreasing the boiling point of water. This happens because the pressure affects the intermolecular forces between the water molecules. At higher pressure, these forces become stronger, making it more difficult for water molecules to escape from liquid form to vapor form. As a result, more energy is required to break these intermolecular forces, and the boiling point of water increases. At lower pressure, the attractive forces between the water molecules are weaker, and it takes less energy to break these bonds and allow the water to boil. As a result, the boiling point of water decreases as pressure decreases. This is the reason why water boils at lower temperature at higher altitudes where the atmospheric pressure is lower. It also explains why pressure cookers are able to cook food more quickly, because the higher pressure inside the cooker increases the boiling point of water, which in turn raises the temperature inside the cooker.